Hello, welcome 2024 WASSCE Nigeria edition. This question, objective test question 39 and 40 on statistics. Let's see how we can provide answer to that. So the following are the masses which are in kilogram of members in a club. So these are the masses 59, 44, 53, 57, 49, 40, 48 and 50. We are using the information to answer question 39 and 40. The first one is to calculate for the mean mark. So right away, per our record, we know to find the mean, which we use this, is going to be the summation of all the x values divided by the number of values we have. So in this case, our mean will be the addition of 59 plus 44, 53, 57, 49 plus 40. Let's take it to 48 plus 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 of them, so we divide by 8. So when we add all of these on our calculator, we'll be having 400, meaning the mean will be equals to 400 divided by 8. You know, 8 will go here 5, so you have 50. So therefore, the mean mark is going to be 50 kilogram. So the mass of the mean, if you add all of these to take the average, you'll be having 50. That will be for question 39. Then the next is to calculate for the variance. We know for question 40, the variance is x squared equals to, let's say, summation of x minus the mean all square divided by n by record. If you find the square root of both sides, then this become the standard deviation. All right. So what do? We know the mean. So we find the difference, the deviation between the mean. So in finding the mean, we can be able to, the mean deviation, we can be able to get a table in this form. So the x minus the mean, what do we get for the mean? 50. So 50 from here will give you 9. This minus 50 will give you minus 6. This will be 3. This will be 7. 1, 10, 2, and what? 0. Then this value here, square. That's what we are seeing here. So that will be 81, positive 36, 9, 49, 1, 100, 4, and 0. So if we add all of this, we should be getting 280. So this becomes the summation of x minus what? The mean all square. What do? We only substitute this into the numerator, then the denominator will be what? 8. Then our answer will be derived. So we can say from here that our variance will be equals to, we are only quoting from here what we have there as 280 divided by 8, and that gives us 35. So therefore, the variance is going to be 35. All right. I guess the concept from the beginning to the end is understood by you. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.